Let's talk about the newer way of organizing your extensions. Have you noticed the puzzle piece? That's right, up here to the far right in your extensions area, you now have a puzzle piece. I have it on all 3 of my accounts that I have showing. This puzzle piece allows you to quickly and easily manage the number of extensions that you see up here. One big tip that I will tell you about extensions before we jump into the puzzle is that you can reorganize. Did you know that? Put your highly used ones over here to the far left. Organize them in any fashion that you'd like. It's as simple as dragging and dropping. Now let's jump into the puzzle piece. I truly have more than these 5 extensions added to this account. When I click on extensions, do you see how I only have 5 blue push pins? That means those are the 5 that are attached to my account and showing up right now. These 2 white ones are attached to my account, but they're not showing. If I want this one to show, all I have to do is click the puzzle piece. Notice they're in 3 different groups. There's a quick sentence underneath each one that allows you to understand why they are grouped in this fashion. It's as easy as clicking it on or off. Please note that this does not add it or delete it from my account. It simply shows it or doesn't show it. Let's go to my school account. Let's do the same thing. See how many extensions are showing up here? I want to take off the ones that I don't regularly use and I don't necessarily need at all times. It really does do a great job in cleaning up that area. They're all still attached to my account, but it gives me a lot more space and gives me a cleaner look. Finally, when I come to my personal account and I do the same thing, I just simply unclick the ones that I don't need all the time. Now, what if I decide that I want to delete some of these extensions? All I have to do is come all the way to the bottom, go to Manage Extensions, and then you come to this page. For example, what if I want to delete this Pearl Trees? I could just toggle it off, but that doesn't actually delete it. Clicking the Remove, confirming the remove, and it's gone. Now it no longer shows up on my puzzle piece. It's gone. I hope you find this tip about organizing and adding and removing your extensions truly a tip of tech you can do.